Hello, I'm Lee Merman with Investments in Costa Rica. In March, I attended the world's largest investor-based real estate forum called MIPIM in Cannes, France. I was delighted to discover that on a global level, social housing is now being seen not only as a solution to the massive problem of slum dwelling, but as a sound investment with quality, guaranteed returns for investors, and with a myriad of benefits for governments. This issue has been my team at Investments in Costa Rica main focus over the past 18 months, and I was excited to see this in France too. This issue took center stage. The Assistant Secretary General of the United Nations keynote speech addressed the urgent need to develop housing solutions for the more than 1 billion people living in slums around the world. This is being done in order to reduce the economic, medical, and security burdens on governments and societies. There are currently over 1 billion people living in urban slums, and this number is expected to increase to 1.5 billion by the year 2010. This is not news. We are all aware of the poverty the world is afflicted by. What is news is that social housing is now being viewed as a solution in financial circles, as it can provide guaranteed returns as well as addressing a vast need. As a result, government funding, massive government funding, is being made available for these programs. In Costa Rica, this year $250 million has been allocated for social housing by the National Mortgage Bank of Housing. We have identified and created the financial models for projects which are open for investment today. Longer term, we believe that the best business model will be the creation of a $100 million social housing fund. For Investments in Costa Rica, I'm Lee Merman.